Hi there, thank you for joining me. My name is Jordan. This is the new Astra Peel-a-Ton digital education platform, or for short, Peel TV. Wasn't that a nice dissolve? Now, today we're going to be going over assembly, disassembly, cleaning and maintenance of your KA700 unit. Over time, we're going to be releasing videos for all of our units, including the FAP1000, the KA750, and even introducing you to the KA720 and 730 later on this year. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining us for our first episode of Peel TV. In just a moment, you're going to see how to assemble, disassemble, and properly clean your KA700 unit. Now that we fully assembled our KA700, let's go over it piece by piece and learn how to properly clean it. Thank you for watching our first episode of Peel TV. If you have any questions about a unit you have or would like to inquire about a sale, please call 866-PEEL-TON. Again, that's 866-PEEL-TON. Thank you. Have a great day.